Welcome back to How to Authority. Now, if you're planning on giving away or selling your AirPods, AirPods Pros or AirPods Maxes, it's a good idea to completely reset them and wipe them first so you can very easily just give them to the next person. So here's exactly how you can do that. So if you have AirPods or AirPods Pros and an iPhone, here's how you do it. First, you want to go into the Settings app, just like this, and from there onto the Bluetooth section, which should be near the top, so just tap on that. From there, you want to make sure that the AirPods themselves are currently connected. If they aren't, just tap again to make sure that they are currently connected. From there, you want to go onto that eye icon you'll see on the right hand side of your AirPods. Once you are there, you want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom where you're going to see this, forget this device, which will completely wipe any trace of these AirPods from your iPhone. So you want to tap on that, then you want to confirm, and then you also want to confirm one more time. Apple just wants to be sure you really mean it, so once you do it again, it's going to completely forget them, as you can see. At that point, make sure the AirPods are in the case itself and hold the setup button at the back for 15 seconds or so. You can hear a chime at the start, which is that it is currently in pairing mode. However, if you keep holding it until an amber light starts flashing here at the front, that's going to mean that they are now fully reset. As you can see, there it is. That means they are now completely wiped. And the great thing is it also works on Android devices as well. So first off, you want to go into the Settings app yet again. From there, you want to tap on Connections, which should be right at the top there, and then go onto Bluetooth. Once again, make sure the device is actually currently connected. If not, just connect up your AirPods and then go into that cog icon as you just saw. From there, you want to go into that Unpair and the very bottom right, which will once again do the same thing as forgetting it on the iPhone. So just tap on that, then you want to confirm it, and there we go, it is going to completely wipe them from your phone's memory. And then you want to go through the same process with the setup button at the back, holding it for 15 seconds. But what if you have the big AirPod Maxes instead? Well, here what you want to do is hold down on the crown and noise control buttons together until the light starts flashing amber, and after a while it will switch over to flashing white instead. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to factory reset your AirPods. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.